Hey, what's up everybody? Today I am at LTG Tire here in Lancaster, and today I'm going to be wrapping Tina's roof on her BMW. I guess it's a little bit of a birthday gift for her from her husband, so they heard that I was running the special and decided to take advantage of it. So this is what we're working with today. Car's been sitting outside for quite some time, so it's a little dingy on the roof kind of thing, but I got to get these drip rails taken out, and I got to remove this antenna cover there so I could wrap around some stuff. I'm gonna have to clean in here real nice, get that all taken care of and stuff. So we're gonna do a gloss black roof on this guy and make it look pretty good.
About to be a state of elevation because the underdog is eating, cause I'm starving like I'm Marvin, yo, emaciated overdose. Y'all never know the feeling that I get whenever I see the same bitches who play Dylan come on Facebook catching feelings. I'm appealing, now they feel the sound, trying to get a feeling on my dick so she can stick around. She just think I'm different now, tatted up, braces gone, tell her bitch leave me alone. Only thing she want is for the kid to fucking take her home and lay it on the table. Hop in the range, the game is changing up, switch hitting, I'm dangerous, Michael Jackson's angel dust. Pardon me, I'm hardly what these lame MCs is zombie, and I'm jamming out like Marley with the bitches blonde as State of elevation, now I'm levitating. Raise stakes, it ain't too late. We got me feeling great, floating on a cloud, it's amazing. Jimmy purple hazing, taking over nations. We motherfucking blazing. Hey, we levitating. Raise stakes, it ain't too late. We got me feeling great, floating on a cloud, it's amazing. Jimmy purple hazing, taking over nations. We motherfucking blazing. I said our friendship, sex, and party. After section, she was texting her best friend cause she won next, and I'm sure she gonna get it with this modern day Mike Seaver. Martin, she was Gina. Told us sayonara, it was really nice to meet you. Now it's on to the next one. Learn a life lesson. Fuck them but don't love them, so the next day I ain't texting. Missed calls by anonymous. Haters wanna try be us. Do, not interested in the politics. The only thing I wanna do is body the game. Remember the name, Dylan Cooper, the Dark Knight. Brass knuckles and knife fights. Get light and Harlem shake. Coops time to dominate. The show is on the roll. My pockets swollen up them big bills. Always gotta stay trill. Red light, pop them all. Top spot, now knock them off. Take over like hijackers. Detonations coming fast. The blowing up. We mass attacking. Stevie Wonder, Master Blaster, killing all these State of elevation, now we levitating. Raise stakes, it ain't too late. We got me feeling great, floating on a cloud, it's amazing. Jimmy purple hazing, taking over nations. We motherfucking blazing. We levitating. Raise stakes, it ain't too late. We got me feeling great, floating on a cloud, it's amazing. Jimmy purple hazing, taking over nations. We motherfucking blazing. Big up, it's a stick up. Call the motherfucking cops, they don't pick up. I got the ammunition in the system, making hits get rich and bitches on my dick, man, it's sick, man. I'm living this, it's wicked, a wicked bitch, lick a clitoris, I'm feeling it, hitting it, a voodoo child, play guitar the Hendrix style, flooding shit, Texas Stevie Ray Vaughan, Genghis Khan and Emperor, Mac Cobra, Jamaican nigga flexing, yup, Brooklyn is the best in this, haters who need evidence, I'm selling it all separate and building money like Tetris, irrelevance, my detriment, body bagging perfection, it's expressionist, then I'm going express, niggas get left, guitar on my chest, spitting that death, you heard that I'm coming for heads and cutting your neck, better speed up, you gotta get left, sing with the rhymes, quote with a crime, murder the track, I'm doing some time, living divine, sign of the times, takeover is state of elevation, now I'm levitating, raise stakes, it ain't too late, we got me feeling great, floating on a cloud, it's amazing, Jimmy purple hazing, taking over nations, we motherfucking blazing, hey, we levitating, raise stakes, it ain't too late, we got me feeling great, floating on a cloud, it's amazing, Jimmy purple hazing, taking over nations, we motherfucking blazing, fucking blazing. We motherfucking blazing.
All right, that is what Tina's roof looks like now. Looking pretty nice. I had to clay bar it and shine it up pretty nice, but look at that shine, man. Absolutely love it. Looks great. Hope you guys enjoy the video as always. If you guys need anything, you know how to contact me. Instagram is fp_styles and my Facebook is facebook.com/fpstyleshop. As always, hope you guys have a good one. and hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.